Hi and welcome to this course on AZ-304, that's a Microsoft Azure Architect design. So in this course, we are going to go through all of the objectives that are going to be covered as part of the exam. So in the exam, you have objectives such as design, identity, and security. You have an objective for designing monitoring, for designing data storage, for designing business continuity, and you also have for designing your infrastructure. So all of this is part of the objectives for the Azure Architect, the AZ-304 exam. Now, why is this exam so important? Well, there is a lot of demand in the industry for Azure architects. So a lot of companies are now moving on to the cloud, and hence a lot of IT professionals are now required to showcase their skills when it comes to architecting solutions in Azure. So this is one of the exams that need to be given in order to ensure that you earn the certificate as an Azure Solutions Architect Expert. So one of the exams that you have to complete is the AZ-303 exam. By completing the AZ-304 exam, you will then get the certificate as an Azure Solutions Architect Expert. So normally I will tell you to begin your cloud journey as an Azure Architect. Well, in this case, I am telling you to go ahead and now complete your journey to becoming an Azure Architect on the Azure platform by completing the AZ-304 course and then going on to give the exam for AZ-304. So what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead with this course.